Hello viewers, this is Nadimul Haq. Welcome to Answer of Tech. Viewers, today I will show you how to change your default search engine in your Google Chrome browser. So viewers, this is very important for us. So viewers, we will start our work. At first, I open my Google Chrome. Then viewers, I go to the top corner of the Google Chrome, three dots, click here and I click here setting option. Viewers, then I click on search engine. Viewers, then I change search engine used in the address bar section. I change here Google to Bing, so I select Bing. Viewers, now change my default search engine in Google Chrome. So viewers, I open a new tab, this browser, and viewers, my new tab open Bing search engine in Google Chrome browser. Viewers, then I back here and I change this Bing from Yahoo, select, and then I reload this page, and viewers, this page open like Yahoo search engine here. Viewers, then I change Yahoo to DuckDuckGo search engine. Viewers, then reload this. Viewers, here's my default search engine change in Google browser. Now I am in DuckDuckGo search engine. So viewers, this is today's tutorial how to change your default search engine in your Google browser or in your Google Chrome. So viewers, this is no more. If this video helped you, obviously like, comment and share my video, and also subscribe my channel. Thanks watching for video.